dependent because the same pesticide was studied at three different recovery at three fortification levels. So we have to compare these three parent variables. Well, the first thing that you should do is to go to descriptive statistics. We're going to select your samples. You can see that the recoveries found at the three fortification levels are very close. So I can believe that the three fortifications levels provided equivalence recoveries, statistical equivalent results. So we go to one way another. We're going to repeated measure. I will insert the factors. I am working with recovery, and I have in here the fortification levels. I have my four fortification levels. I will add my variables, and the repeated measure ANOVA have shown to me that there is no difference between the recovery at the three fortification levels. Well, I must take care. First, I have to check if I can use a parametric test. I go to assumption checks. I check Spreadsheet. I can assume the disparity of my data. I can assume the disparity of my data. I can go to KK plots, and I see that is a deviation for the normality, but I can still consider my data normally distributed. I can go to post-hoc tests and see if the post-hoc tests see any difference between the pairs that my repeated measure ANOVA cannot find. So I can use the Tucker, Chef, Bonferroni, and the home post-hoc test. I have chose four options of post-hoc tests using Jamov. I can go to post-hoc tests, and the four post-hoc tests had shown that there is no difference between recovery and fortification levels. The recovery that I get in the three fortification levels is equivalent. I can assure it using the repeated measure ANOVA, and I can do it also using post-hoc tests, parametric post-hoc tests. So I can see estimation of marginal means, and I can see plots like that. You can see that the fortifications at the three levels are were equivalent. And this is what I show for everyone that's seeing this video. Well, I can go to the non-parametric Friedman test. I can select my variables. And the Friedman test provided to me the same response that the parametric test provided. There is no difference between recovery at the four fortification levels that was studied. I can go to a non-parametric post-hoc test, and it also confirmed what you observed in other tests. Well, we can see that at 1 milligram fortification, there is some difference between 0.02 and 0.1 fortification levels. You can see some minimal differences, but the parametric test cannot observe this difference, where the non-parametric tests have observed. It can be considered statistical equivalent, but you can see that there is a minimal change between this fortification level for these other two fortification levels. Well, now we are going to the next video of your playlist.